Okay, we're trying to get to the Sky Garden, but this is a pretty good spot. Still an uphill climb. And there's the Tower of London. Alright, babe. I think it's the Sky Garden. The building straight ahead, it's got a curve. It should be the Sky Garden, yep. Alright, we're gonna try to see if we can get a drink because they don't have any reservations at the restaurants on the top floor. This is the Sky Garden. This is on the 35th floor. It's a 360. You get a 360 view of London. They've got restaurants, bars. There's the Tower Bridge downstairs, down there. This is our next stop. It's Leadenhall Market. We've got a lot of different stores, restaurants. Trying to find a dinner spot, but most of the stores are already closed. But we're gonna try to find something here because we're hungry. We just had dinner. It's pretty good. And now we're headed back to the what is it, babe? What is that bridge? I'm too tired. No, it's the Tower Bridge. But right in front of us is the Tower of London. It's pretty cool. We got light situation going on. Purple lights against the tower, and the weather is very nice. It's cool. There's a gentle breeze. Lisa's got she's got a blazer on. Perfect for the weather.
Just gonna stroll around.
Yeah, and then go back to the hotel. Day 2 here in London, and it's raining. What's London without the rain, right? So we are getting the full experience. About to go grab some coffee and some pastry at a local cafe. This is the city of Westminster. Big Ben, Westminster Abbey should be around the corner to the left. It's a few minutes walk that way. This is a pretty official area, so a lot of people making their way to work this morning. There's the signature double-decker London bus. They're all over the place. We need to hop on one of those, right, Lisa?
Yeah. We should do like a tour on the bus.
Yeah. There you go. Speaking of the devil. Oh, there's the Big Ben. Look. To the left. Looks like an active construction zone, but there you go. That's Big Ben for you.
Hi, babe. Working out.
The rain has stopped. We just had some fish and chips. And now we are making our way to Buckingham Palace. And there you go. That is Buckingham Palace for you. We wanted to see the changing of guards, but they're not having that today. But anyway, we're gonna check out the palace and see what it's all about. We noticed something here. It says Kingdom of Nepal on this pillar. Where are you going? Where? Oh, yeah.
Are these gifted by Nepal?
I doubt it.
Our future is greater than our past.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
We're on our way to Windsor Castle. That's Windsor Castle in the midst of the fog. We took a tour bus up here. Our day starts at Windsor and then Stonehenge, followed by Bath. Got a train station here. A lot of people. Finally made it in. That was like a half an hour wait. But now we are on the royal grounds of Windsor Castle. Just walk into it ourselves. This looks so nice. It's like a fairy tale, yeah. Okay, time for some pictures. patrol guard down there. I think I'm gonna go down there and take a picture with the guard. Babe, I want to take a picture with the guard. Alright, we're almost ending our tour of the castle. Yeah, all good. It's about to be 11. This is the town right outside of Windsor. Pretty neat little town. Now that we're done with the castle, we need to go back to our coach. But before that, we're gonna get some coffee, go use the restroom, get something to eat. There's a McDonald's down there. We're gonna try something local. This is the grand entrance to the shopping mall.
Beep to support your posting. Thing is, you beep this thing and they'll jump out of the skin. This road kind of reminds me of Holland Park, minus the park. The buildings are identical, exactly the same. Again, this is all John Wood's work. John Wood and Son. Never knew his son's name, but it was John Wood and Son. These buildings on the left might remind you of Maida Vale, if you've been around Warwick Avenue.
Hi babe. Sure, you want to listen to some audio?
Is it on?
Yep. Here's the Roman bath. Do you think the water's hot?
It's warm. Because it's natural spring water.
Yeah. Okay, we're tasting the bath water. How is it?
Tastes like bath water. You need some
It's
filtration.
warm. Even though there is no bridge per se, it's called the Boltinia Bridge because the river runs right below this road that you see here. I'm just gonna go walk a little more and then this is the English countryside. A lot of visitors here. It's still a mystery of how people brought all these rocks all the way from Wales. So that mystery has not been uncovered yet.
Here's where we are. This is my English bartender. He's pouring me some tonic. Thank you. Cheers. This is a local pub right here. Huh? Is it good? Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What's he up to?
Day 4 in London. We're on the banks of the Thames River, overlooking the Big Ben and Westminster. House of Westminster, which is also a Parliament building. It's pretty. The weather is amazing this morning.
That's the London Eye.
Yes, ma'am. So today we're gonna head over to Buckingham Palace, and our itinerary is pretty open this morning, or all day. So we're just gonna. Hello, newest Chelsea fan in town.
That's me.
She got the scarf,
Let's go.
and we're going to the game. This was a pretty last-minute decision. We got some tickets off of StubHub, so we're gonna go watch Chelsea and Leicester.
Yeah, right in the third down. Man, the second row.
We are having our afternoon tea at Lanesborough, and it's a Bridgerton themed afternoon tea. So we just had some tea at Lanesborough, and now we're in Hyde Park. What do you think?
It's so pretty. I've never seen a park like this. It's better than Central Park in New York.
This park is humongous. We're just gonna sit back and relax and enjoy our leftover dessert.
What's going on, mate?
We're walking on, what is it, Market Street?
We have to take the stairs to go to the hotel. This looks like Nepal Go Gully. It's interesting. Are you sure this is the way?
We're walking down the Royal Mile. The rain shower just is starting to come down, but the experts say that the rain only lasts for a little bit. we're definitely praying for that. We're now gonna go back to our hotel, get our jackets, and then head over to Edinburgh Castle.
We're here for whiskey tasting. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. So we've got, this is Glen Kinchy, 12-year-old, Balmore, 12-year-old, Highland 12, and then the Glen Fiddich 12. This is a slight introduction to whiskey.
Wow.
Although I don't need one.
You don't need one. I'm ready to get drunk.
Day 2 here in Edinburgh. We are taking this hike up to Calton Hill. You get a panoramic view of the city from up here. We've got our morning fix over here, Starbucks. It's a pretty uphill climb. Are you okay?
My legs are burning.
Yeah. Let's go this way. Looks like some amazing views right up ahead. I can see the ocean, see whatever that is, all the way back there. Absolutely amazing. Old vintage town of Edinburgh. This is the other side of the hill. Absolutely stunning. Alright, well there's a glimpse of the Highlands.